Yes, it's Christmas.
เหมือนไปเลือกอ่ะให้เขาให้กิน
Sorry, student, something is wrong with the internet. Okay, let me check. Let me change the internet first. Yes, okay. So let's go to the next page. Next slide. Today is December 15, and Christmas is fast approaching. So are you excited for Christmas, students? Are you all excited? How about New Year?
Yes.
New Year. Do you celebrate Christmas? Do you celebrate every year, student, or no? Okay. Anyway, so now let's start. We have to learn some words today, and this is on your book. Please open your book. Okay. So talking to the phone. Talking to the phone. This is on page number 52. 52. 52. Okay, page number 52. All right, so everybody please read after me. Talking on the phone. Talking on the phone. Can you please read?
Talking on the phone.
Yes, talking on the phone. The girl is talking on the phone. Next we have is, can you read? Please read.
Visit Bangkok.
Okay. The boy is visiting Bangkok. So I think he is not a Thai. Maybe he came from another country. Have you ever, who always visit in Bangkok? Do you always visit in Bangkok, students? Who else who always visited in Bangkok? I think the last time I went to Bangkok was last year. So it's been a while. Do you have a family? Who has a family in Bangkok? Friends and family in Bangkok? Okay. Everybody have friends and family. But since we cannot travel this time, you can travel, but it's quite difficult. Okay, so next is, can you please read? Everybody read?
Riding her bicycle.
riding the bicycle
Okay, riding a bicycle. If you just enter the classroom, kindly say, teacher, I am present. Riding her bicycle. Okay, riding her bicycle. The girl is riding her bicycle. Next is cleaning his room. Cleaning his room.
Cleaning his room.
Yes, the boy is cleaning his room. So we saw a ball and a baseball there. So he is playing his room. After he play, he always put all his things back to their places. Okay, so like you, if you want to use something, always make sure to put them back to where did you get them. Okay, so cleaning his room. Okay, it's very important to clean our room because sometimes it's very dusty. We didn't notice that when they will come to our room, we can see the dust. But if you keep if you keep your room clean, then it would be nice. Okay, so next is waiting.
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 Where do you think is the girl sitting and waiting? Where do you think is she now? Where is it? It's in the school or what? Uh-huh. She is in the,
Hospital.
yeah, she is in the hospital. We can see a doctor's office sign in front of door. So obviously she is waiting maybe to the doctor. Okay, she has an appointment with the doctor. Okay, waiting. Next is playing baseball. Playing baseball.
Playing baseball. Oh.
Baseball. Okay. Yes, but this the in Thailand the most popular games in Thailand you play is football. But I think you also play baseball here in Thailand, but not that much. Okay, so that is baseball. Okay, so this time we have to, what are we going to do? It's Christmas. We are going to make sentences. But before that, please, everybody, put your headset on or turn on your speaker and listen to the sound.
Page 52. B. Make sentences.
The children are busy. What are they doing? How long have they been doing it?
Jenny is riding her bicycle. She has been riding her bicycle for 45 minutes. Scott is waiting. He has been waiting since 10 o'clock.
Number 1.
Jenny is riding her bicycle. She has been riding her bicycle for 45 minutes.
Number 2.
Scott is waiting. He has been waiting since 10 o'clock.
Number 3.
Andy is cleaning his room. He has been cleaning his room since early evening.
Number 4.
Kate is playing baseball. She has been playing baseball for 2 hours.
Okay, so this is just an example. Okay, so if you look at on the picture, the children are very busy. They will play or something, or they do something there. And what are they doing? How long have they been doing it? Okay, so this lesson is part of our lesson last week. Okay, the proper way of using, or where are we going to apply the 45 minutes, the 10 o'clock, the 2 hours, and early in the evening. How you gonna use them in the sentence? Okay, so you have to, does any one of you wants to try how to use 45 minutes in a sentence, except this, okay, let's say we have example. Okay, since we have an example already for number 1, and this is Scott is waiting. He has been waiting since 10 o'clock. Okay, so this is how you use the 45 minutes and 10 o'clock in a sentence. Okay, what are you going to do? Is to first describe the picture. Jenny is riding her bicycle. You have to describe the picture. Next, how long, or how long she has have she been riding a bicycle, or has she been? Okay, since a singular. Okay, so you can say she has been riding her bicycle for 45 minutes. So this one, Scott is waiting. Again, You have to describe the picture. We can see he is waiting by what? He is waiting what, student? Can you tell me? He is waiting the what? He is waiting a bus.
Bus.
Yes, very good. He is awaiting a bus. So Scott is waiting and he has been waiting since 10 o'clock. Now, how about early evening? Who wants to try to answer this using this pattern? Idea, do you want to try?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Go.
Andy has been cleaning his room since early evening.
Yes, okay. Andy has been, or you can say he has been. Okay, but first pattern is you have to describe first. Andy is cleaning his room like that. So you have to describe the picture first. Andy is cleaning his room, and then the one you answer, he has been cleaning his room for since early evening. Okay, so that's it. So we use that. We use since. Okay, if you mention about the time or the when is it? Is it in the morning, evening, or last week? Since that is. But if you see like this, a time, if it is a time, then you have to use for. If it is early evening, then you have to use since. Since this morning, since this afternoon, since yesterday, since Monday, that time. Okay, so if you see something like this, that means you have to use for 45 minutes, for 2 hours, like that. You cannot say since 45 minutes, right? It sounds very, very wrong. Okay, how about 2 hours? Okay, who can describe the picture and use has been in the sentence? Who wants to try? 2 hours. You can. Do you want to try? Who wants to try? Grapes, you want to try grape? Two hours. You can use any name.
In the picture 4.
Yes, you can use them in picture 4. You can use any name. Up to you. You can name her or them. Or you can name
Name Scott.
yeah, Scott is that is in picture. This example is picture number 2. This is Scott. She's a girl, so you can say
Oh.
Anna. Okay, you can say use Anna. Can you say Anna? What yes?
Is play baseball.
Yes. Okay. Let's say playing baseball. Very good. Is playing baseball. Good. Very good. Now, how about if you use has been and since it's 2 hours, so you have to use another one. Okay. Can you change it? How do you gonna change it? She has since she is Anna.
Has
Uh-huh.
been playing baseball for 2 hours.
Yes, very good. Perfect. Sorry, I have to change the text, but that is fine. That is perfect. Yeah, she has been it's too small. She has been playing baseball for 2 hours. Okay. See, that's how you gonna do it. Sorry, it's too small. Anyway, you have to please look at the words given. What you gonna use for 45 minutes, what you gonna use for early evening, 10 o'clock, and 2 hours. Okay, please look at the time and the days or the months. All right, so next is okay, so let's go to the next page. So this is just part of your test later. Now, ask and answer. So we will play the audio. So please listen very carefully.
Page 53. C. Ask and answer.
How long has she been visiting Bangkok?
She has been visiting Bangkok since last week.
How long has she been waiting?
She has been waiting for 15 minutes. Number 1.
How long has she been visiting Bangkok?
She has been visiting Bangkok since last week.
Number 2.
How long has she been waiting?
She has been waiting for 15 minutes.
Number 3.
How long has he been talking on the phone?
He has been talking on the phone for 1 hour.
Number 4.
How long has she been riding her bicycle?
She has been riding her bicycle since noon.
Number 5.
How long has he been playing baseball?
He has been playing baseball since 3 o'clock.
Number 6.
How long has he been cleaning his room?
He has been cleaning his room for 30 minutes.
Okay, so that is how you use these words in a sentence using he has been and the sight words. What are the sight words? The for, at, since. Okay, most of these words they use at, for, and since. So now let's go back to number 1. Let's say last week. Okay, last week. How are we gonna use last week in a sentence? So this is number 1. How long has she been visiting Bangkok? Everybody, can you read? I will read the question, you will read the answer. How long has she been visiting Bangkok?
She has been visiting Bangkok since last week.
Okay, I can hear bonus only. Bonus. She has been visiting Bangkok since last week. Okay, look at this picture properly. Okay, look at this picture properly. They use last week, right? So last week. So you have to use since, right? Since last week. So that is the proper way of using since when you are going to apply since last week. Okay, so next we have is number 2, 15 minutes. The question is, how long has she been waiting? Okay, who wants to try to answer? How long has she been waiting? Anyone? She has what? Go, Kanya Pap.
She has been waiting for 15 minutes.
Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. She has been waiting for 15 minutes. Wow, good job. Very good. Who is that? Kanya Pak, right? Is that Kanya Pak, right? 25? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, 1 point for Kanya Pak. For those who wants to answer, teacher will give points. Okay, let's try 1 hour. Okay, the question is, how long has he been talking on the phone? Okay, go. Who wants to answer? You can say, teacher, I will try, like that. How long has he been talking on the phone? Remember the rule, 1 hour. Okay, what you will use? What you will use? At, for, or since. How long has he been talking on the phone? You can say he has been talking on the phone since it is 1 hour Since since it's 1 hour, so you say use for 1 hour. Okay, so that's it. Next is noon. Noon. How long has she been riding her bicycle? Idea, can you try? How long has she been riding? She has been
riding since noon.
okay. She has been riding since noon. Okay. Or you can please don't forget the bicycle. What are they talking about? The subject. Okay. So next is 3 o'clock. How long has he been playing baseball? Bonus, can you try? How long has he been playing?
He has been playing baseball since 3 o'clock.
Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. Stay put. Yes, very good. Since 3 o'clock. Yes. Remember, students, once the player is inside the court already, they are playing already. So you can say since. But if you ask someone when, then you will say at like that, at 10, at 1 hour. Okay, next is 30 minutes. How long has he been playing baseball? Who wants to try? Go home, you want to try? How long has he been playing baseball? Number 22. Go home is in the house. Oh, how long? Okay, go home. Can you try? How long has he been playing baseball? How do you gonna arrange it in a sentence? He or he has been playing. Go home. You wanna try? Something is wrong with the signal of home. Okay. Okay. He has been playing. Sorry, he has been. It's okay. He has been playing baseball. Okay, you can just change the word, the subject. This cleaning his room, it should be playing baseball. Okay, so this time, students, so since we're running out of time, we have to answer these activities. So please get your activity. So you have the words here in the word watch. This is the word watch. You are going to pick your answer here. Answer each of the numbers here. Since it's already matched, this is on page 50, okay, on your workbook, 50. Okay, so let's say number 1. So as you can see, it's already matched there. So this is an example. He has been cleaning his room since 4 o'clock. Okay, then you can just trace that one. And then since we already have cleaning his room, so we are done with this. You can choose your answers from any of these words here to complete the sentences, the remaining numbers, okay? The 5 numbers. Okay, so you can do it later. Next is this one. Answer the questions 2 ways. So again, how long has she been riding her bicycle? She has been riding her bicycle for 1 hour and a half. She has been riding her bicycle since 1:30. So you please look at the picture, the sentences properly. How they gonna apply for and how you gonna apply since in a sentence. So this is an example. So you have to complete these sentences here. So you can say there are 4 lanes. This is an incomplete sentences. So you have to complete it. Okay. Please again describe the picture. Describe the picture, and then how long has he been visiting Bangkok? You can see he has been what? Okay, so if you are confused, you can go back to the workbook. Okay, look at your workbook, how you are going to describe the picture and apply the words. Okay, he has been what? For what? For 1 week. Okay, so that's it. So then the same with the number 3 and number 4, but take note, look at the gender of the person. Maybe you will get mistake because of she and he. Okay, she and he, they have been, she has been, maybe because maybe here you can see 2 boys and you use she, so please be careful with the she and he. Okay, so it's very important to describe the pictures properly. I think this is okay. We have letter C. What about you? How long have you been studying English? So this time, this is not well, this is part of your lesson, but you have to make your own sentence relating to yourself. How you gonna describe yourself? How long have you been studying English? Okay, so you can write here at least 2 sentences or one. One is will be okay. And then number 2. Again, this is part of your lesson, and this is your personal, your own, how you gonna apply it. That's it, students. So I think we are done with our lesson. Advance Merry Christmas, everyone. Okay, so I hope you understand. Do you understand our lesson, student? You understand so far?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, it's easy. Okay, this is just a rules of using since at for like that. It's very simple, student. Good luck, and don't forget to take a picture once you are done and send it to the group. Thank you so much, and we'll see you again on Friday. You want to say something, teacher? Okay. Thank you so much, and thank you, teacher Kratay. Thank you, students. Say goodbye to teacher Kratay also.
Bye. See you.
Bye.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, everyone. Thank you for listening.